if you can! Ha ha ha!
They race across the haunted bridge. It's Halloween night in Choo Choo City.
My yummy pumpkin donut is ready.
Donut time!
What's happening?
Catch me if you can! Ha ha ha!
Help! My donut's gone!
I'm on my way.
The police train races through the night.
Smells so good!
Oh, no! The track splits. Which way do we go? Wait, that smell. This way!
Uh-oh! What's that noise?
Stop! Donut thief!
Never! The donut's mine!
They race across the haunted bridge.
Whoa! The bridge is breaking!
Hold tight! I'm jumping! Give it back!
No way! Let's see if you can turn like this!
Time for a spooky surprise.
Ah! A ghost!
Gotcha!
Whoa! Where am I going?
Thank you, police train.
And the Halloween donut was safe once more. In Spooky Night, Choo Choo Train was the happiest engine in town.
Bye-bye, Choo Choo Train! I'll be back in a few minutes!
But even trains need a little nap. The witch sleeping on her flying broom. Who's the one snoring so loudly? A happy train? Let's make it evil.
What's going on with my train?
Can't hide from me.
Who turned my train into an evil one?
But his driver wouldn't give up.
I'm coming to save you, my friend!
The driver chases after the train. Let's have some fun. Try riding through this.
Take this.
The witch strikes at the driver. The witch creates a net to stop the driver.
You can't stop me! I'll get my train back!
But he wouldn't give up, no matter what. He had a daring idea. He leapt with all his might. He grabs the crown and rescues the train! And just like that, the witch was gone. Choo Choo was himself again. It's Halloween night in Spooky Town. The Candy Express train is delivering sweet treats for everyone. But wait! What's that behind? It's the thief train. Oh no! Ha! He stole the candy wagons! Shinkansen Police Train gets the call. Police train zooms onto the tracks. Thief train races across Pumpkin Bridge. The chase is on! Ah! Watch out! Candy drops on the track!
I'm right behind you!
Thief train hides in a spiderweb tunnel. Huh? But police train spots him with his bright lights. They race through the ghost forest.
Fog's too thick. Where'd he go?
Wait, there he is again. They swirl around the witch's tower.
You're cornered now.
I only wanted to share candy with my monster friend.
Okay, let's share together.
Happy Halloween, everyone! Don't forget to share. In the deep, dark jungle, we have to find our choo-choo train.
It's time to bring that old train back to life!
That house looks haunted.
Hello? Anyone home? It opened on its own!
This place is so spooky.
Aha! Here is my buddy! Somehow I need to start.
Who dares to touch this train? You'll never escape, little boy!
Come on, Choo-Choo, run!
Hold tight, buddy.
Here we go!
We're right behind you!
Look out, Choo-Choo!
Oh no!
You can't stop us!
Let's crash the train!
What is happening?
I have to do something.
Yes, this might work.
One shot, one chance.
Wow! Our choo-choo train is brand new now. Bye-bye, choo-choo train. The train is rushing down the track, faster and faster. Oh no, the driver is sleeping. In Choo-Choo City, everyone was happy and busy. Some people were waiting and talking near the road. Its joints began to break apart. The tanker fell, and gas began leaking into the air. One by one, the people of Choo-Choo City fainted. girl collapsed near the roadside. The driver rushed to help her. But soon, he too fell unconscious. At this moment, many people in the city remain unconscious. A medical helicopter hovered over the city.
How could this happen?
The pilot quickly called hospital for help. The ambulance train at the hospital was set to depart, racing against time to save lives. The ambulance train set off at top speed. Police helped clear the crossings. The ambulance train arrived. Compounders rushed out with stretchers. The rescuers talked to each other and planning what to do next. The ambulance train started again, racing through the city. The ambulance train reached the hospital. Finally, the people were taken inside the hospital. It's Halloween night celebration in Choo Town. All aboard the Spook Express, and here we go!
Wow, it's so shiny tonight! Come on!
Hey, wait for me!
Here comes the witch to join the party! And then, the sweetest surprise of all appears. But they are not aware of the trouble.
Wow! The cake is huge!
Help, help! The cake is gone!
Come on, Choo Choo!
Let's go.
Let's bring the cake.
Hold tight, buddy! Here we go! Catch me if you can!
Oh no! Pumpkin attack!
Take this.
What's that?
They are fighting with the swords! Wait for my magic! Yay! The cake is back! Hooray! Welcome to Choo Choo Train World, where every day is full of fun. Here comes Thomas, the friendly blue steam engine. And here's someone new, Junior Shinkansen, the super fast bullet train. Thomas says, hello, and Shinkansen smiles back. Thomas's wheels are ready to roll. Let's see what adventure they'll have today. It's time for a race. Ready, set, go! Thomas is pushing with all his steam! Shinkansen is fast and sleek. Thomas passes the spinning windmill. They take different paths. Shinkansen zooms through the tunnel. Over the red bridge they go. the second bridge! Oh no! The track is broken! Oh no! Thomas stops quickly. Shinkansen slows down to...
Hey, what happened here?
The track is missing.
How will they fix it?
Hey! What happened here? The track is missing. Don't worry, friends. I'll help you. It's all fixed now. Thank you.
Let's finish the race! Go! They're faster than ever! It's a tie! Bye, Thomas! Bye, Shinkansen! See you next time! It was just another busy day in Choo City. Passengers waited eagerly for their ride. The train rolled down the tracks once more. The train zoomed over the tracks. Suddenly, the brakes stopped working. Train zoomed faster and faster. Oh no! The train is out of control! The train rolled down the track.
Oh my god!
Policeman radioed hospital for help. Doctors rushed to help. Ambulance train zoomed down the tracks. Policemen and doctors came to help the people. Ambulance train on its way to hospital. Crane pulled up the damaged train engine. Another day, another train in Choo City. In the bright city lights, a naughty thief is speeding away.
Team, spread out! He must be nearby!
What's that? Now this is my kind of ride!
All units! Vampire's car has been stolen!
Who dares touch my car?
Can't catch me!
Step on it, boys! After him! Don't lose him now!
Let's make this fun.
Finally! Time to rest.
Careful, everyone! He's close!
He must be hiding somewhere.
That's strange.
They'll never find me.
But the vampire's eyes sparkle.
Time for a midnight ride.
Uh-oh! What's happening? Oh, no, no, no! Ah! Help! Somebody stop this roller train!
Enjoying the ride?
Ah! Trains don't fly! Please stop! I'm getting sick!
The police are talking near the train yard.
Ah! Somebody catch me!
You're under arrest.
What a beautiful place. Awesome! Wow!
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Ho, 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 ho!
What is happening? Excuse me, please. Let's go. Yeah. I love it. Wow. I love it. Hey. Hello. Hey, wait for me. Hooray! Oh my god. Hey, stop! Don't do that! Oh no! How could this happen? Oh my god! I have to do this. Thank you. Relax, I got it.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Ho, 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 ho!
Let's do this. Wow! What is happening? Who is there? I have to do this. Come on, guys. Great work. Move! Move! Let's move, boys. I have to do this. Guys, we have to catch him. I have to do this. Go away! Go away! Come on, guys. Let's do this. I have to do this. What is happening? Help, help! Good morning. What a beautiful place. I love it. What is happening? Where's my train? Help, help! Go away! Move, move! How could this happen? I have to call someone. Oh my goodness! How could this happen? I'm stuck.